have some cool behind-the-scenes footage of Tesla Battery Day from September 22nd. The owner of the long-range Model 3 I feature on my videos got a ticket through a raffle to attend. I asked them to record as much as they could so we can see what it's like to attend a Tesla in-person event. Check it out! To be eligible to attend, you needed to have been a Tesla shareholder as of July 31st, 2020. Then you could enter online for the raffle by August 28th, 2020. I asked a lucky guest to describe what was happening in the following clips. Their experience began from the flight from Phoenix to San Francisco. Here they are walking up to a Tesla building in Fremont for the event. There was a long line of people, probably around 100 people when they got there. Then when they got in line, 100 more people followed behind them. At this point, they still had no idea what was going on or where they would be. A Tesla representative just said that they would be partially inside and partially outside. Then they saw the sign, Vehicle Assignment. Finally, it made sense that everyone was getting their own car to sit in. The badge here, the number 190, represents the vehicle that was assigned to them. Upon entry, you can immediately see the Semi, Roadster, ATV, and Cybertruck on display. They couldn't stop looking at the Tesla Roadster, and I don't blame them. The rule sheet that was handed to them did say no honking during the event, but if you saw the event, you know that everyone still honked. Each car was tuned to a radio station and had a web page open to view the slides.
And be sustainably profitable. Like, the crazy thing is this has really not happened in 100 years.
If they were interested in buying a car from the lot, they could do that as well. Now getting to the actual content and information of Battery Day, I wanted to go over some of the items that were presented, starting with the last thing first, the Model S Plaid. I'm officially over the P100D. This is the car I want now. Its specs are impressive. 520-mile range, 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds. The 3-motor Plaid configuration will even go up to 200 miles per hour. I'll probably never take it that fast, but I'd still love to have it. It's amazing how they have continued to upgrade the Model S after all of these years. So about these fancy new batteries. I can't claim to be a battery expert, but I understood at least some of the words from this presentation. A huge part of what they talked about is removing the tabs from the batteries. These are what actually carries power from the roll inside the metal battery case to the top and bottom. Apparently, this little tab causes a large slowdown in the manufacturing process. Without having tabs, these batteries can be wound much faster since they don't have to be so careful. Another thing they mentioned was that they're now using a dry electrode process. This should also make the process of forming the sheets inside the battery a lot easier too. I have a feeling that this will help out a bit with regards to long-term longevity too. We'll just have to wait and see for this one. They also have changed up the form factor. The casing is now a little taller and much wider. Tesla is also no longer going to be doing modules with their batteries. In the original Roadster, they used these sheets of batteries. Then in the Model S, they moved to bricks. Depending on the capacity you'd order, you'd get a certain number of these bricks. When they moved to the Model 3, they reduced the number of bricks and had these 4 long bars of batteries. Now Tesla plans to do away with all of these and just have all the batteries in one big batch. I'm sure they'll still be interconnected in groups, but they won't have the sheets, bricks, or bars anymore. Maybe Tesla will be moving to an 800 volt architecture instead of their existing 400 volt. Who knows? They are also planning on 3 different chemistry makeups. Not all batteries are made equal, and some are better at certain things than others. They are planning on having specific batteries for grid storage, intermediate car traction battery, and also for the Tesla Semi, which needs ultra-fast charging and very high energy density. Hopefully this all means manufacturing a $25,000 passenger electric vehicle in the next 3 years. All of these improvements to the battery are steps in the right direction to get costs down to bring battery electric cars to everyone. These technical events are so cool. It really speaks to the creativity of the people at Tesla to be able to organize a large event like this while keeping everyone safe. Just give everyone their own car. I just wish I could have been there to see the Roadster. If Tesla's able to get their costs where they say they can, they truly will be able to accelerate the world to sustainable energy. If there is something that you'd like me to go into more detail on in a future video, leave a comment below. I'll get researching and get back to you. After the event and on the way out, they were directing people to exit in groups.
All right, cars 206 to 228. Thank you for coming.
They even spotted some Tesla branded hand sanitizer. And here are just some Tesla power packs on the facility. After the event, everyone got a Tesla swag bag, and inside of the bag is a 1/43rd scale model of a Model 3 in red, and 15% off at the shop at tesla.com. And that's it. No free car. No actual free car. What did you guys think of the news and updates from the Tesla Battery Day event? Maybe in the future I'll be lucky enough to attend an in-person event. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for spending time with me today. Make sure to subscribe for more EV content and follow me on social media at CallasEV and Kaya's Tesla. Kaya's my dog. Also, check out my website at www.callasEV.com. That's all for now, and happy charging!